In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable a virtual avatar on Zoom. Whether you're preparing for a professional meeting, a casual hangout, or just want to add a fun twist to your video calls, using a virtual avatar can give your presence a unique and creative flair. Let's dive right into the steps, and we'll guide you through the process to make your Zoom calls more engaging and enjoyable. To start, you'll want to open your Zoom application and join or start a meeting. Once you're in a meeting, look towards the bottom of the screen where you see the video icon. Next to this icon, there is a small upward-facing arrow. Clicking on this arrow will reveal additional video options, an essential first step in setting up your virtual avatar. After you click on the arrow beside the video button, you will see a menu pop up with several options. From this menu, choose Video and Effects Settings. This selection will take you to the setting panel where you can control various aspects of your video display. Adjusting these settings is critical for a smooth and customized virtual experience, allowing you to define how you'd like others to see you on screen. Once you're within the video and effects settings, it's time to locate the area dedicated to avatars. Within this section, you'll see different options to choose your perfect digital character. Selecting an avatar allows you to customize your appearance during a call in a fun and interactive way. Finding the right avatar might seem daunting, but feel free to explore the choices. You're not locked into a decision and can change it anytime. Now that you've found the avatar section, it's simply a matter of clicking on Avatar. This directs you to a panel with multiple avatar choices. Here, you can select an avatar that suits your style or mood. Feel free to experiment and find one that best represents how you want to be perceived during your call. Remember that this feature is designed to reflect your personality, so have fun with it. In summary, enabling a virtual avatar on Zoom is a straightforward process. Start by clicking the arrow next to the video icon, navigating to Video and Effects Settings, selecting Avatar, and then choosing the avatar you want to use. This sequence of steps not only adds a layer of creativity to your calls, but can also help maintain engagement and interest, especially in longer meetings or presentations. I hope this walkthrough was helpful and easy to follow. Enabling a virtual avatar can enhance your online communication experience, helping you stand out or simply bringing a smile to your face and those of your meeting participants.